Hi everybody, it's Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and did you know that fall is actually the best time to plant citrus? The reason behind that is because the hardest season for plants in Texas is actually the summertime. So when you plant in the fall, you are giving these plants a wonderful shot to get their roots down deep where the water is, and then you don't have to water as often when it comes to that crazy heat. So there are two ways you can plant a citrus. You can do it in a pot, and we want to make sure we're using a nice high quality soil like dirty dirt, and you can do that in a pot, and that makes it easy for when we are worried about freezes. You can just put that on a dolly, throw it in your garage, and be totally fine with it. If you're planting in the ground, we want to make sure that we use a good soil and follow up using mulch. Both of them need great fertilizer like Nelson Plant Food Citrus, and that's again going to help them thrive and get those roots down deep and be prepped and ready for the actual hard season, summer here in Texas.